Around 1,000 full-time DOT staff are going to be out treating and preparing the roads for this widespread snow event.
Yeah, you can see the road conditions right now. You see the blue in southwest and south central Iowa, partially covered right now. KCCI's Kayla James and photojournalist Brandon Green are driving in our storm chaser tonight. Kayla, where are you and how does it look where you are?
Well, Stacy and Ben, right now we are in downtown Des Moines. It was about an hour ago, a little less than that. We were on I-235 coming back from the west. Road conditions, not horrible, little slick spots. So of course you want to drive slowly and be mindful. But let's take a look at these downtown Des Moines streets. While Des Moines crews and DOT crews are out preparing different areas of the state and of the roads for drivers, auto technicians have been prepping cars. We spoke with an owner of a well-known shop in Des Moines. He shares what you can do before going to bed tonight or early in the morning to make sure you're ready to drive, but of course only if you have to.
But not a good battery, could use a charge before the winter. But
on the eve of a storm forecasted to bring a good amount of snow.
Cool.
It's not uncommon to see the technicians at Joey's Auto Shop in Des Moines doing winter inspections.
This is testing the coolant. We start by checking all the fluids. Check your battery, check your starting charging system.
All things done by shop owner Joey Tessman and his team. But for people who didn't have the time to visit their local auto technician, Tessman says there are things they can take to keep their cars and themselves safe.
If you're low on antifreeze, that will affect your heat. Throwing down some salt or some sand could help them tires get a little better traction, get you out of a spot that you might not be able to get out of otherwise.
Or there's equipment and ways to use them, Tessman says, starting with not giving up on jumper cables too quickly.
If it doesn't start right away, leaving those jumper cables hooked up for a while will help get a little bit of a surface charge on that battery.
Across the state of Iowa, DOT crews will be treating roads and removing snow on the 24,000 miles of road the department is responsible for.
We have just over 920 plow trucks spread across 100 garages.
Craig Barkfried says crews will be monitoring the snowfall, ready to go out on their snow runs.
I-80, I-235, I-35, and some of those very high volume areas, we try to design the runs so that we complete a run in about an hour.
Lower volume roads take 2 to 2.5 hours, and rural 2-lane roads 2.5 to maybe 3 hours. As always, the Iowa DOT wants people to be patient when its trucks and equipment are out on the road.
My parents always told me, watch out for everyone else, and that's the biggest advice that I've ever gotten.
And that piece of advice is exactly what we're doing, especially as bigger flakes, as you can see, start falling down. Now, Craig Barkfried with the Iowa DOT says a statewide coordination call was held this afternoon. It involves State Patrol, Homeland Security, and partners across Iowa counties. He says it keeps everyone on the same page and in the know, which is exactly what they need to keep drivers, like all of us, safe. For now, live in downtown Des Moines, Kayla James, KCCI 8 News, Iowa's news leader.